Give me your driver's license and your insurance card.
Man, what's up? You want to take me to jail?
No, I don't want to take you to jail.
Don't touch me.
Don't step in my face.
At this point, just step to the side of the car. This is in the way.
You're under arrest over here. What are you thinking? Don't grab my shit.
On February 15, 2022, Joliet officers tracked down a vehicle linked to a hit-and-run, coming face-to-face with a suspect named Brittany, whose damaged car told the whole story. What should have been a standard accident report quickly spiraled into a defiant 7-minute standoff as she flatly refused to provide her license or insurance.
Hello. Were you just in an accident back there? You sure?
Accident?
Yeah, over there on South Haim Street. Okay, do you have your driver's license and insurance card on you? You were involved in the accident. We have to take your information.
Open your window for us.
I just need to see your driver's license and insurance card, man. Yes, so you were involved in an accident just back there. We have your license plate, your vehicle description, you're on camera, and you have damage on your vehicle, and then you just left the area. So we're just trying to get your information for the accident, and then we'll send you on your way, okay? Ma'am, you need to give us your driver's license and your insurance card.
No right. You would have no right to be. My father, she trying to.
Ma'am. It's just an accident. Don't turn this into something else.
What accident?
You were involved in an accident. You got to come off of that.
Involved in an accident.
You got to come off of that, okay? Do you have that on you?
What accident are you talking about?
The one that you were just involved in. Now, you don't have to keep doing this.
Okay, we can. We're gonna continue.
Okay. Okay, how about this?
I wasn't in no accident.
I need your driver's license, your insurance card, or you're gonna go to jail. What's your first name? Don't turn this into something that you don't need it to be, okay? Let me tell you something.
You're turning it into something.
Ma'am,
why did you
we need to
pull me
take,
over?
I already explained that to you. We need your driver's license and your insurance card, or what's gonna happen is you're gonna end up going to
Why did you
jail.
pull me over?
I already explained. Do you want me to explain it to you for the third time? Okay. You were involved in an accident on South Haim Street. You left the scene of that accident. We have your license plate. You have damage to your vehicle. We need your driver's license and your insurance card for the accident report, and then we can send you on your way. If you refuse that, you can go to jail. So it's your choice.
Man, do what you gotta do.
I'm just asking for your driver's license and your insurance card. That's all you gotta do.
Pull me over for no reason.
I already explained to you the reason. So I need your driver's license and your insurance card, or you can go to jail for obstructing the police. It's your call. Are you refusing to open the window? Because I think you know what's going to happen if you do that. And you don't need to turn that into something.
You pulled me over for what?
You want me to explain it to you for the 5th time?
Yep.
Okay.
That's why you ain't get on me back then.
So are you refusing to open your window?
Refuse.
Okay. So at this point, you're under arrest. I need you to get out of the car, or I'm going to break the window and take you out.
Why are you pulling me over?
I already explained it. You were past that.
Shut the fuck up.
All right. If you don't get out of the car, I'm going to break the window. So I need to see your driver's license and your insurance card, or you'll go to jail for obstructing the police.
so what you
I'll
gonna
tow
do?
your car
You gonna open
and
my door?
impound it. Well, you're going to unlock it for me, or I'm going to break the window.
You're gonna break the window.
Yeah,
For what?
because you're refusing to give me your driver's license and your insurance card.
That you can't.
Well, I know I can.
Bitch, you dumb.
Are you doing here on the scene? Otherwise, we're gonna be down at the station. It's up to you.
This shit is dumb as fuck.
Okay. All right.
What did I do?
It's going to come out. I've been here for 10 minutes trying to get it through. Can you shut the car off at least so we don't turn this into something that it doesn't have to be?
The situation reached a violent breaking point when officers were forced to physically extract Brittany from the vehicle, leading to a chaotic struggle that didn't end at the scene. Her continued refusal to cooperate with booking procedures at the station transformed a simple misdemeanor into a felony nightmare and a $50,000 bond.
I just don't want to pretend zero was just standing around the car, okay?
Thank you. Can you turn the car off? Thank you. Can you give me your driver's license and your insurance card?
What you think he's front of you?
I'm just asking for your driver's license and your insurance card.
Are you dead ass serious? You finna act like that's what you've been asking me for this whole time?
What have I been asking
Shut
you
the
for?
fuck up. Like, stop.
Right now, if you're acting like this.
Okay, why am I pulled over right now?
For the accident.
Sixth
you were
time?
in.
You want to go 6? You were involved in an accident. You left the scene. I found your car. You're damaged to the front of your car. All this is an accident report, ma'am. Don't turn this into anything else.
Don't turn it into something else.
It's an accident report. We need your stuff for the report, and then you're on your way.
Can y'all go to them?
We already have an officer there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Go to them.
That's why we're here.
I have nothing else to talk about. I'm good.
I need your driver's license and your insurance card.
I don't have none of that.
You don't have your license, right?
No.
No, your
I
insurance
don't
card.
have it.
Okay, I need you to step out of the car.
Why?
Because I need you to step out of the car, because now you're under arrest for obstructing the police. Okay?
Man,
You want to turn that into that? We can turn it into that.
Just get your license, get the insurance, get an ID, whatever you got. Just provide it. We're not trying to make it any more difficult than it is.
I didn't do anything.
Okay,
I'm
Well, now you're
fine.
doing something. Give us your license and your insurance card so we can get this on the report and get you the hell out of here.
Why are you opening my door?
Right.
Don't touch shit.
I'm not going to touch shit,
No,
but I need you to give me your driver's license and your insurance.
I am, but don't touch my door. Why are you doing that?
I've explained it to you already.
It don't matter.
Give me your
Why are
driver's
you
license
opening-
and your insurance card.
Man, what's up? You want to take me to jail?
No, I
Take
don't
me
wanna
to jail.
take you
Don't
to jail.
touch me.
Don't step in my face.
At this point, just step to the side of the car. This is in the way.
What are you thinking? Don't grab my shit.
I ain't drunk. Nothing.
Got a wrist? You got a wrist? No. You got it, Bobby? Bobby, I'm not letting go until you have it.
Stop resisting.
You a dumb bitch.
Stop resisting.
Ain't nobody resisting.
Stop resisting.
You must be a rookie. You must be a rookie. You must be a rookie. The fuck out my face.
Yep. Come on. Slip your shoes on your feet. You want your phone? This your phone?
Yeah, happy.
All right. Step up. If you want your phone,
Man.
step on your shoes.
Y'all.
That's fine.
I ain't do
Yeah.
nothing to y'all.
That's
for real.
fine. That's fine. Slip your shoes on. You want them or no? It's up
Y'all
to you.
gonna take me to jail for what?
I'll put them in the
Take me
car.
to jail for what?
Stop. Don't start.
Y'all.
Ambulance 5's been around.
All right, go ahead and get in.
All right. Come on. Just have a seat.
Leave me alone.
You have to get in the car. Let's go. Stinks. Monday, I
Man,
said
leave me
Monday.
alone. Y'all had no right to arrest
Ma'am,
me.
you got to get in the car.
Man, ouch.
Hop in. Let's go.
Man, get me the fuck out of here. Y'all have no right to arrest
Ma'am,
me.
you got to get in the car. I'm going to go around.
Come on.
You guys on charges. Obstructing now.
You sit up.
One for obstructing. Lincoln 23.
Please watch your 10-4.
You get me the fuck out of here.
Give me a safe code over here.
Tony, if you can roll a tow for one, please.
12 for 1, 10 for.
The date was February 15, 2022, and at 1:15 p.m., Joliet officers tracked down a vehicle linked to a hit-and-run on South Main Street. Behind the wheel was Brittany, whose damaged car and matching descriptions made her the prime suspect. However, what should have been a standard accident report quickly spiraled into a defiant standoff. For nearly 7 minutes, Brittany flatly refused to provide her license or insurance, ignoring every warning that her non-compliance would lead to an arrest. The situation reached a breaking point when officers were forced to physically remove her from the vehicle, resulting in a violent struggle. Even after being handcuffed and transported, her defiance didn't waver. She refused fingerprinting and photos at the station. This decision transformed a misdemeanor accident into a legal nightmare. Brittany was charged with felony aggravated battery to a police officer and obstructing justice, landing her in jail on a $50,000 bond. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of police encounters with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.